In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove search button from WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly get rid of any search button that you might have on your WordPress page. Usually, they will be located on the header when you install any sort of theme, template, and you can remove them if you want to. So to do this, go over to the Appearance tab and find Customize. If you don't see Customize, which is my case here, I only have Themes and Editor, then what you can do is choose either of them. So you go to the Editor page, and then you just edit the URL at the top. So instead of going to wp-admin/site editor, go to customize.php. If you alter the URL, you will now be able to change the site identity. What you have to do is open Site Identity. Now, if you are using a specific theme that has the search icon located somewhere, when you go over to Site Identity or even Theme Options, you will be able to find the options here to disable search. So look under Site Identity first, and if you don't find it there, then just go over to Theme Options. Depending on the theme that you are using, you will not see anything related to customizing the theme. So for example, I only have site identity, homepage settings, and additional CSS. But if you do have a specific theme that contains the search icon, it will be located here, and you will find the option to disable it. If for whatever reason, you have the search icon on the theme, but you aren't giving this toggle here to disable or enable it, then you might have to use custom CSS or look elsewhere. Usually, the option to enable or disable the search function is always going to be located and associated with specific themes. So this is why you should go to Theme Options to properly disable it. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove search button from WordPress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.